Hi, I'm Tali Vogelstein. I did iXperience in, what year did I do it? Summer 2015 after my freshman year at Wharton, and I wanted to do it because I wanted to have a fun summer while I still could, while also adding something incredible to my resume and getting computer science experience. I didn't want to take computer science in school because I thought it would hurt my GPA, but I knew this is something that I wanted to learn. And so now I actually work in venture capital. I helped start a venture capital firm called Avid Ventures about 2.5 years ago, and we invest in software and fintech. And while I am not coding on a regular basis by any means, it's extremely helpful to talk to technical people and be able to speak the language and understand what they're doing because of what I learned at iXperience. And I also just had an incredible time and made some great friends, and Cape Town's my favorite city now. I always thought I wanted to be a founder, so I went to business school for undergrad, studied finance and entrepreneurship, and ended up joining iXperience and working at an ed tech company there, and realizing I really wanted to work in technology. So I went to Israel, I worked at a venture capital firm, thought it was the coolest job, and then when everyone at Penn was applying to banking and consulting jobs, I applied to every venture capital firm in New York and ended up getting a job at Bessemer Venture Partners and spending a few years there getting institutional training, but then realizing I still wanted to start something. So I ended up meeting my partner at Avid and really wanting to work with her to help build a new kind of venture capital firm, which checked both boxes. I got to continue doing VC investing while also getting to start a company, because a venture capital firm is a startup. You never know where life is going to take you, so do what you want to do, particularly professionally. Do what you're interested in, not what you think will look good on your resume or help get you the next job, which is something that you really want rather than the first job. And who knows, you might end up being wildly successful and also happy too.